Hello, I'm Sridhar. I'm from India. Thank you for placing the gig on me. I'm here to show you the leads that you can get every hour now, and the secrets are going to be revealed right now. So this is the page that what you're seeing is your own website, and I'm very happy to see that you are doing a fantastic job by offering your virtual assistant services. And in fact, the kind of services that you're offering is amazing. You should be getting leads after leads every now and then, because that's the kind of keywords that you have got so far. Now open your browser, one more browser window, and here watch carefully what I am doing now. You need to type alerts.google.com, and this is the most important part. Okay, once you click this, so you will get a page of this kind which says Google Alerts, and then it says search query, result type, how often, how many, and delivered to. So what you need to do here is, let me show one example to you. I'm going to type here one of the keywords. I am looking for article writer, and here the result type is everything, so you don't have to go in for everything. Go in for preferably discussions, because this will give you a very good lead, because whoever are discussing on this subject matter, they will be able to post their query on many forums, and those forum discussion points will come to you. So that is better. And even if you put everything, there will be some other important points which will come. For example, you see here, here is one discussion point posted by someone. I am looking for article writer. Writer must write 30 articles. Daily he must write one article, words, 500 per day, project budget $30 per month. So this is forums.digitalpoint.com. And once you type this, I am looking for article writer in the search query, then how often, instead of putting it as once a day, which is the default function, go it for as it happens. So when you say as it happens, whenever a discussion is taking place in any forum, it will be immediately coming to your mailbox as soon as somebody posts such a thread. Now then, thereafter you click this create alert button. Once you create this create alert button, then you will be getting Google alerts like this. Now for example, I have created Google alerts on many keywords, many important keywords which are interesting to me. For instance, something to do with fundraising, something to do with network marketing, then internet marketers, loans, work from home. You see the kind of number of leads that I have got here: 44, 30, 40, 5, 11. These are all in fact some of to be attended. This bold lettering clearly indicates that I have received these leads, but I am yet to go through that. So that's the amount of leads that you will keep getting it every hour. Now for your case, since you are into a virtual assistant offer, and in one of those services that you had offered, I saw that you're also an article writer. Now if you are an article writer, now this is the kind of lead that you have got here. Click this and see what this forum discussion says. I'm sure you must be, you must have signed up in many of the forums. If you are not, that this is the right opportunity for you to sign up with many forums. Now this is a forum which says I'm looking for article writer, and writer must write 30 articles. Daily he must write one article, words 500 per day, and he is also given some budget. He says project budget is about $30 a month. Now whether this amount is acceptable to you or not is different, is up to you, but the point is, here is a lead for you. You can reply to this person in the same forum by signing up in this particular forum. If you are not signed up already, then you can reply to him, and there is a chance that he might contact you and place the order on you. Okay, so let's take one more example. Internet connectivity seems to be slow. Just bear with me for some time. Yeah, fine. Next is, now let's say you are looking for secretarial support. You are also offering secretarial support. So let's assume that somebody is looking for secretarial support. What he will do? He will post a discussion in some forum. I am looking for secretarial support. Okay. Now here are the results that have come in here. Okay. So now let's take, I am looking for virtual assistant. And let's see what happens. See, I am looking for virtual, WAHM forums very clearly says that I am looking for supplemental income. So somebody wants a job, so I am looking for virtual assistants. I am looking for best virtual assistant, money is no object. So like this, you will get leads. All that you need to do is to be a part of all the forums. Okay, you want to see one more example? Let me see what is one of your keyword. I am looking for email marketer. Let me see. I am looking for email marketer. Right? See, looking for email marketing services. I am looking for an email marketing module. I am looking for email marketing services for the web promotion, direct mail marketing. So many such results have come in, and all this will come to your inbox. So what you need to do is, you need to put your keywords in the search query, so you can have as many keywords as possible. For example, let me say this email marketer was one example. So you can write I am looking for email marketer as one such keyword, and then simply write email marketer. Right? Or simply write email marketing. So these are some of the keywords that you can keep on the same topic. You can have number of keywords. So you assume yourself that you are the customer or you are looking for someone, and put questions in that manner, and you will be able to get number of leads to your mailbox. To your mailbox it will come like this. Google Alerts. So it will be from Google Alerts, and you can open. For example, I will just take this one example of internet marketer. I have uploaded a file to my public folder. So when I click this, it will go on to Warrior Forum, and Warrior Forum is an amazing forum. I hope you are one of the members of that. In case if you are not signed up there, please sign up, because this will give you enough opportunities for your virtual assistants job profile that you have. You can get number of people who are interested in this. So this is a Warrior Forum. You just click this. I'll show you how many people are looking for virtual assistants. checking this Warrior Forum, Internet Marketing Forums. If you are not signed up, please sign up and just go for one of the threads here. Some URL title keyword question is there. Just could an experienced internet marketer pass on some advice? I have $1,300 to invest, but I need your advisors. So these are the kinds of threats that are being posted by some of the people, and you go to this search forum. Search this forum and put virtual assistants and click go. You see all about virtual assistants threads are available here. Now let's open something interesting thread in this. It says guide to outsourcing. I think this should be something interesting. Let's open this and see what is the thread all about. So here's a person who has asked some question. Can anyone recommend a good course or guide to outsourcing? I have been outsourcing as CEO for the past 6 months, but I am also interested in outsourcing some other tasks that I am not great or don't have time for. Now this person is a lead for you. So what you can do, how can you contact him? You can send him a mail from here. See, let's stand phone. Just click this, send a private message to him. It opens up like this. You must be a signed in member and you must have a minimum of 50 posts already. Only then you will be able to send a private message, and then you can send him a message. You see, if you are interested in outsourcing, I am available for you, and you can write to him. So you want to know how many such opportunities are available here? Just go back to the same thread and see how many people have shown interest in virtual assistance requirement. He is one. Scroll the bar down here. See here, how many? Can you see how many people are interested in this particular point? And go back again and then put let's say search forums. I'll now put article writers. And search. Can you see this warriors for hire? Warriors for hire, warriors for hire. See, 38,561 people have viewed and 900 people have replied. Content, awesome writers onwards, that is 0.6 per 100 words. So they are all available. All this is related to writers. Okay, and it's an amazing opportunity that if you become a member of Warrior Forum, you will get hundreds and hundreds of leads, and you will not be able to manage the kind of inquiries that you will be getting. All that you need to do is be an active member of this Warrior Forum. So not only Warrior Forum, I am talking about many such forums that are available, which this alerts.google.com will automatically guide you to. You may not know some of the forums names. That doesn't matter, because the alert, the Google alert will guide you where to go and participate in the discussion. You will not be able to reply to anyone if you are not a member of a forum. And becoming a member of a forum is free. You can sign up in any forum and then keep answering some of the important discussions that are related to your subject matter. So this is how you will be able to get leads. I hope you found it interesting, and in case you need some more information about how to generate more leads, there are also free advertisement sites which are available. I can give you the free advertisement sites if you place one more gig order, and there will be at least about 60 plus advertisement sites which I will be able to give you, and also almost about 20 forums where you can go and sign up. And once you are active in these two areas, you will not be able to manage your inquiries. I can guarantee you this. I hope you found this interesting, and in case you still have any queries, please shoot out a mail to me. Please do not give any bad review about this kind of service that I am providing. If you are not satisfied, you can always contact me and I will try to satisfy you. Thank you so much.